Alright, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, she dirty. Yo, I got kind of a leak coming out of my shocks. Oh, yeah, this. I think I blew it up from wheelies, but ain't nobody gotta know. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. I haven't been posting consistently, but huge upgrades. I got a full system exhaust, and oh, it is pretty. It's pretty. It is straight piped. It's a little loud though. I don't really like how loud it is, but it shoots flames, but I mean, it sounds okay. It's a 2-cylinder, so you're not gonna get anything crazy, but let me just start it up for you guys. It's cold right now. Literally, I've not turned it on yet. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good. It's just so loud. He did not have a stop sign. Anyways, yeah, she's loud. It's kind of like I want to be quiet and respectful, but I don't really mind it though. It sounds good. It shoots flames. Oh, it sounds so good. It doesn't. I don't know how to explain it. I kind of like the sound. It's just loud. Oh, but man, it sounds good. I'm so cozy. I got my wool socks on right now. Oh, nice and thick and woolly. Thick. Yo, I got another bar of gas. Look at that. This bike is so cool. It fuels up while you're riding. Anyway, yeah, I got this exhaust. Actually, my girlfriend got it for me, but off of eBay. That was kind of a goofy turn. I don't know why I did that. But we got it off eBay. She was so kind and bought it for me. I love my girlfriend. Anyways, off eBay, which I know that's kind of like cringy. But I mean, it was 150 bucks. Like, for an R3, this is the best you're gonna get for 150 bucks. There's just no way. Well, yeah, she sounds good. Hello. What? Oh yeah, you do that. I did not just do that. There is no way. I just got gasoline all over my bike. All over my handlebars. Oh my gosh. I don't have any pet peeves except that. Oh, that is a pet peeve. Cannot believe I just did that. Give me these towels that are right here. Come on. Get wipe that up. But yeah, she's loud now. I'm also just dumb. I don't know. I always be doing dumb stuff because dumb is fun. Remember that, kids. Alright, let's go explore. Go down here. engine braking makes it so hard to hold wheelies up. Like I have to keep the throttle open and it's really annoying. Oh, there's a puppy. Oh, I don't want to hurt its ears. You're good, I'm going that way. You're good. Oh, there's another puppy. Oh, these are some nice houses. Oh my gosh. I would love to live in that red one. I made a video here one time. Hang on, boys and girls, ladies and gents. Remember when I said we're gonna go exploring? Oh wait, I don't think this is abandoned. Actual property. Oh man. Yo, we're a dirt bike now actually. I identify as a dirt bike. Oh, is that a curb? Oh, I might be cooked here. Oh no, we good. Oh, that's funny. It's actually hilarious. Limiter there, I didn't mean to. Okay, there's an officer that lives over here and he really does not like me or my exhaust. So, oh, there's a puppy. Look at the good boy. He's just chilling outside. What a cute puppy. Hi, puppy. Aww. I love dogs. Oh, I want to go in there. Whatever that was. Can't believe it's already fall. It went by too fast. Oh, another puppy. There's dogs everywhere. My dogs, bro. Yeah, the exhaust shoots flames now, and I try to keep it quiet by putting my foot over the exhaust. And now I shot a flame like into my shoe, and now I have a hole in my shoe. I was like, dang it. Oh wait, the officer lives right down that road. We are not going that way. He's gonna hear me and just get in his car, just pick on me. I've had too many tickets this year. Too many. We're going the speed limit. Anyways, let's talk about this exhaust a little bit more. Very loud compared to my previous one, the stock exhaust, obviously. The setup process probably took me about 2 hours because I had a couple bolts that got stuck, but you should just expect that. It's gonna take longer every time. Technically, I should not be running this exhaust. It's too loud. It's modified. But it's AI, so it's okay. It's AI. This is pretty. some more mods that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some new grips. I'm probably gonna switch my throttle tube. Yeah, I'm not too sure. That was a pretty good one. I like wheeling uphill because, I don't know, it just helps me hold it for longer. Something just hit my foot. What was that? I don't know. Going this way. Gonna let my intrusive thoughts win. No, I'm kidding. It's not that bad. I love the sound of it idling though. Like, it just sounds so much better. Another puppy. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good. I'm sure all the cops and stuff love it too. Alright folks, I think I'm going to end it here. I know I didn't do a whole lot, but I'm doing my best, folks. Actually, we're going to go under here. Oh, that might be an unmarked cop, I don't know. We're going to... That is a cop. I'm screwed. Better not turn this way. I'll turn this way. Okay, that's the end of the video. I love you. Bye.
So I can't tell the truth.